Hey guys, it's Asia, and for this DIY, I'm going to show you how to make a cinched waist crop top like the one in the thumbnail. So let's do it. So I started out by taking that string of fabric off of the shirt and I placed it to the side because I'm going to use it later on. And then I went ahead and cropped the shirt and just tried to make the line as straight as possible. The next thing that I did was fold the bottom of the shirt up about 1/2 inch, and then I sewed around the perimeter of the shirt and I left a small opening so that I could put the elastic through it. Then I measured my waist, which is about 28-29 inches, so I cut a piece of elastic to that length, and then I fed that elastic through the opening of the shirt. And then once that was done, I sewed both ends of the elastic together as well as the opening of the bottom of the shirt closed. And then I had to take off the sleeves of the shirt, which was very annoying and very tedious, but I just grabbed my seam ripper and I ripped both of those sleeves off. Next, I hemmed the arms of the shirt by, again, making sure the shirt is inside out, and then I folded the fabric in and sewed it down. So for this next step, I made sure that the shirt was right side out and flipped over to the back side. And then I folded the shirt in half and marked the center point with a pin. Then opening the shirt back up, I took that string that was on the shirt at the beginning of the video and I placed it where I marked it with a pin. And then I sewed about 1 inch of that string directly onto my shirt. And that, my friends, is how you cinch a crop top. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, thumbs up this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.